For the repair of the Hyomyung LSC control units, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the units. For testing, we had a 24-volt DC power supply, a simulator, a switch, and two 24-volt DC lamps to the unit's output. By turning on the power supply, the unit reacts and we can hear the alarm sound from the simulator. We can also see that the 24-volt DC lamps light up. No further testing is possible due to lack of additional units. It is now clear that all are operating successfully and are ready to be delivered to the customer.